Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for being here. Today's video focuses on cleaning your stovetop the easy way. This part of the kitchen often gets greasy fast, but with a simple routine, you can keep it looking clean without much effort. Start by making sure the stove is cool. Never clean while it's hot. Remove the burners, grates, or covers, depending on your stove type. Take them to the sink and set them aside. Use a dry cloth or paper towel to wipe away loose crumbs. This keeps debris from spreading once you apply cleaner. Next, spray the stovetop with a kitchen-safe degreaser or a mix of warm water and dish soap. Let it sit for a minute so it can loosen grease. Use a sponge or soft cloth to scrub the surface gently. Work in small sections and focus on areas where oil splatters collect. If you have dried spots or tough stains, use warm water to soften them before scrubbing. Avoid using anything sharp because it can scratch the surface. Rinse your sponge and wipe again with clean water to remove extra soap. Then use a dry cloth to dry the stovetop. This prevents streaks and leaves the surface shiny. Now wash the grates or burners in warm soapy water. Use a brush if needed. Rinse them well and let them dry before placing them back. To keep your stovetop clean daily, wipe it after cooking. A quick wipe prevents buildup and makes deep cleaning easier. Thanks for joining me. Let's go to the next home task.